Top. Avant que la vidéo commence, n'hésite pas à t'abonner, à lâcher un petit pouce bleu, ça me ferait super plaisir. Et je vous remercie pour les 1600 abonnés, ça me fait super plaisir. C'est un truc de fou. Si vous voulez commander les suites LongRider, c'est dans la description. Et à partir d'aujourd'hui, enfin même depuis déjà 2 vidéos, je sors une nouvelle vidéo toutes les semaines, le samedi à 18 h. J'espère que vous serez présents. En tout cas, bonne vidéo à tous les gars.
She gonna love, oh beauty, coming back. Beauty, baby, I'ma go crazy. You're turning me into a fiend. I just wanna doze off lately. I wanna feel hazy. Oh, it's so sweet, but baby, late. Beauty, baby, I'ma go crazy. Turning me into a fiend. I just wanna doze off lately. I wanna feel hazy. Oh, it's so sweet, but baby, late. Your stomach in a knot. You know that pinpointing exacto when you started with a stop. But like a cape to me, became a great to me. We always talked when everybody hated me. You say all my what mom and dad spent time to see. But you and me, we never went home. I never was alone. I seen some beauty, never know. I remember back then, oh, back then when the high was free. Beauty, baby, I'm a little hazy. Please don't come to me, Miss Beauty. I remember back then, oh, back then when the high was free. Beauty, baby, I'm a little hazy. Please don't come to me, Miss Beauty. Beauty, baby, I'ma go crazy. You're turning me into a fiend. I just wanna doze off lately. I wanna feel hazy. Oh, it's so sweet, but baby, late. Beauty, baby, I'ma go crazy. Turning me into a fiend. I just wanna doze off lately. I wanna feel hazy. Oh, it's so sweet, but baby, late.
Eh hey, Guillaume, 113 km/h. 113.
Merde, décalé.
Dans la descente, 113. Ouais. J'ai peur de continuer, j'ai peur.
Ok.
You might find me by the water, waiting for the sun to come. Oh, you see me like a stranger. Well, I've been waiting for the storm. Singing, amen, amen, amen. cage, tell them lock the chain. Adrenaline and rage, I may never change. Coming through my heart, dilute my pain. Compressing all the stress, asthma on my chest, running out of breath, they gon' know my name. No strap though, running this shit, both legs, bro. Word around town that they coming from my head though. Funny thing about it, they don't know what's in my head though. Scared so.
Well, thank you.